Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the new CapCut quality video tutorial. So here, what you need to do is import your videos and then just go to overlay and find this white image overlay in the stock videos. Okay, adjust the size until it covers whole clips and then go to splice and click on overlay. Click on a check icon and then adjust the length to align with the video. Okay, and after that add another overlay and add this orange red image like this. You can just find it on the internet. Adjust the size and then go to splice, overlay, and then set it into 50 like this. Click on the check icon and next go back and go to effect, video effects, and find retro. Okay, so in here you need to choose the frosted quality effect. Okay, this one's right here. Click on that effect, adjust the effect, the intensity into around 20. Okay, like this, and click on the check icon. Okay, so here is the main result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.